I've been in Thailand for 2 months already. ผมอยู่เมืองไทยมา2 เดือนแล้ว Let's look at the tones on that, right? ผม is a rising tone. You is a low tone. เมืองไทย and ma are all flat tones. That's your normal speaking voice, okay? Then we have another rising tone on song. Dun is a flat tone, and lao is a high tone. This is why my gizmo is not working. There we go. Let's look at these tones, shall we? Pom is rising. So you're going to want to start your regular voice, go down a little bit, and then come up. Pom, followed by a low tone u, goes down. You can see how that marker points downwards. That's supposed to be an arrow. I think if I work at it enough, yeah, you. My normal voice is here, you. Okay, so pom you. เมืองไทยมาสอง hear that tone? Song. That's another right. That's the tone marker right there. Same as the tone marker back here on pom. They've got the same tone marker. ผมอยู่เมืองไทยมา2 เดือน is flat tone, and then แล้ว is high tone.
ผมอยู่เมืองไทยมา2 เดือนแล้วผมอยู่เมืองไทยมา2 เดือนแล้วผมอยู่เมืองไทยมา2 เดือนแล้ว
ผมอยู่เมืองไทยมา2 เดือนแล้วผมอยู่เมืองไทยมา2 เดือนแล้วผมอยู่เดือนไทยมา2 เดือนแล้ว
ฉันอยู่เมืองไทยมา2 เดือนแล้วฉันอยู่เมืองไทยมา2 เดือนแล้วฉันอยู่เมืองไทยมา2 เดือนแล้ว
ผมอยู่เมืองไทยมา2 เดือนแล้ว Did you follow the tones in their voices? As always, the tones are critical. 5 tones in Thai, and let's see. No, we don't have a falling tone in this one. We've got 4 of the 5 tones in this sentence. We've got rising, low tone, flat tone or mid tone, another rising tone, and then a high tone. We just don't have a falling tone. We'll get to one though. So ผมอยู่เมืองไทยมา2 เดือนแล้ว Repeat after me one more time. ผมอยู่เมืองไทยมา2 เดือนแล้ว Let's look at the words, the individual words, shall we? Now, of course, you noticed the way that Kun Daisy said it as opposed to myself and Kun Bla and Kun Siadam. Kun Bla and Kun Siadam and myself, all 3 being male, said Pom. Kun Daisy being the lone female out, said Chun. If you're a female watching this, you'll want to always substitute Chun every time anybody says Pom. Pom means I and me. You means to be at, to live at, to stay, to be located at, and that's what it means in this one. I've been located at, or I've been staying at. It's got a second meaning that doesn't translate directly into Thai. Remember, NDT means not directly translatable, and that means that the verb is taking place now, but we're not using that now. But it's always good to remember that can mean that, because sometimes you go, what in the world why is you in this sentence? Well, it means it's because this is now taking place. But in this case, it means I've been at, or I'm located at. ผมอยู่ even though it's written here as ฉันอยู่ goes the same way. It was the goose and gander idiomatic expression. What's good for the goose is good for the gander. I suppose what's good for the gander is good for the goose. So whenever you as a female sees the word pom, you substitute it with chun. Whenever you as a male sees the word chun, substitute it with pom. Pom you. Muang Thai. Muang Thai. Flat tone means Thailand. Muang means nation, and Thai means freedom. And Muang Thai means Thailand, or the land of the free. They're the only Indo-Chinese nation to not be colonized by a European power, and they're very, very proud of that. As well, they should be. Ma means to come, to arrive, to come in, to come towards. Song is the number 2. Duan means month. Month. Lao, high tone. Lao means already. So I've been in Thailand for 2 months. Lao, high tone, means already. Lao. Kind of hang. You say it kind of high in the top of your mouth, and it kind of rings in your nose. Lao. ผมอยู่เมืองไทยมา2 เดือนแล้ว ผมอยู่เมืองไทยมา2 เดือนแล้ว ผมอยู่เมืองไทยมา2 เดือนแล้ว
ผมอยู่เมืองไทยมา2 เดือนแล้ว ผมอยู่เมืองไทยมา2 เดือนแล้ว ผมอยู่เดือนไทยมา2 เดือนแล้ว
ฉันอยู่เมืองไทยมา2 เดือนแล้ว ฉันอยู่เมืองไทยมา2 เดือนแล้ว ฉันอยู่เมืองไทยมา2 เดือนแล้ว
Oh, one more thing. Remember, you want to end your sentences with ka if you're a male, or ka if you're a female. That makes them polite. So, ผมอยู่ที่เมืองไทยมา2 เดือนแล้วครับ, or words to that effect. You would want to put a ka on the end of that, or a ka to make it polite.
The lesson you just learned is one small part of a complete lesson, and you can get a lot of free freebies at my site, TheThaiLanguage.com. TheThaiLanguage.com.